guys, I am Devonna Nicole. Thank you for stopping by my channel today. Today we're doing something different. I am unboxing two Teddy Blake purses that I picked up during the Black Friday sales. And I figured I would just show you guys what I grabbed. It was some really great sales going on, so I don't know what you picked up, but I did alright. I was first introduced to the Teddy Blake bags a couple of years ago, and my aunt was like, oh yeah, these are the bags that's going to replace Cooch. And I'm like, I don't know about that. They might be a nice bag, but they ain't replacing Cooch. But I never got around to getting one. So the Black Friday sale came, and I was like, ooh, these bags on sale for like 40% off, 50% off some. I think I'm going to pick one up. So I was looking for a bag that sort of reminded me of like a Birkin bag, but you know, sis can't afford no Birkin bag. So I just needed something that sort of favored a Birkin bag. I found two bags, so I'm going to unbox both of them for you today. If you are new to my channel, thank you for stopping by. I post weekly. I do subscription unboxings of different lifestyle boxes, and I also do hauls of makeup and other things. This is my purse haul for the end of the year. So I don't know if I'll be buying any other purses, but we'll see. We'll see what happens. But we're going to get started, guys, so stay tuned. Here we go. Box number one. This is our first box here, and you see how big this is. So this is the smaller one, so I figured I would go with this one first. And it got banged up a little bit, as you can see, in the shipping process, but we'll go ahead and just unbox it. So when you first open it, you have the little saying here from Teddy Blake, and then you have this part here that has information about Teddy Blake, basically telling you their designer handbag, and it's made in Italy, and it's a luxury leather. So, and then it comes, let me flip that over, like so. So they have the tissue paper, and it's in an actual bag with bubble wrap around it and a dust cover. So we're going to pull that out so I can show you. So guys, I'm pulling it out. It's dust cover, and it has the little Teddy Blake logo here on the dust cover, as you guys can see. And let me put this big box to the side. Alright, we got her to the side. So let's take her out so you guys can observe the beauty. So this is my first selection, which is a black leather bag here. And this is a 12-inch in size, and you guys can check out the detail. This is the croc, and the croc embroidery on the leather here has a very nice feel. And this is the sides of it, and this is the back of it. So guys, this bag here is called the Kate, and this is the crocodile print on it. This bag is to 12 inches, as I stated to you guys, and I paid, this bag normally has a cost of $4.29, and I purchased it for $3.64 on Black Friday sale, and the color is black. And I like just how it looks. It's like a classic, good looking bag to go out with and go somewhere and feel very sophisticated and important. And I just love that kind of feel of the bag. So when you first open it up, you can see the straps are inside. So here's the straps, and they do come with gold hardware on the straps, and they are adjustable. So I'm going to take some of this paper out. So guys, when you first open the bag, you can see that there is gold hardware. So you have the gold zipper here with the hardware. You have the gold clips here for the hardware as well, for your long straps for your bag if you want to do a crossbody or something with it. It has an inside pocket right here, and there is another one on the other side. So there's two sides with nice pockets in here. The inside has, what's the kind of material? I was saying it has a suede material for the inside of the bag. So I'm trying to pull it out to show you guys a bit. But it's all black is the lining, which is great. And I thought this is the perfect size bag because, you know, I'm the sis that carries too much. But for me, I wanted something that, hey, I could put it on my wrist. I could feel like, you know, a grown person with my little cute bag. So black is the classic color. I figured this is the color that can go with anything. So I picked up this bag. So this is our Kate Croc leather bag by Teddy Blake. So I hope you guys enjoy unboxing this first bag that we have here. And we have one more bag to go, guys. So I'm going to get that one ready as well. Okay, guys. So we got bag number 2. This is the big one. So this is how this one came. It comes in the same type of box as the first one. So we're going to go ahead and pull it out. And it comes in the same bubble wrapper on the outside with the cover for the bag. And here's our bag here. And dun, 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 dun. Y'all ready for the reveal? Y'all ready? Y'all ready? This my favorite one, and this the one here. This the one. Ooh, look at the sexiness as I pull her out. Ooh, child. Look at this. Gorge. Wow. Darlings. This is the bag. Ah, she's absolutely stunning. This is the 14-inch bag. This is the Giorgia Palmelatto. This is the color red. This bag is absolutely beautiful. Look at the gold hardware on the front. Oh my gosh. And this bag is like, to me, it sort of favors the Birkin. It's not a Birkin by no meaning of the word, because it ain't. But it favors the style of the Birkin bag that I like. And I can afford this bag, so I'm very happy to get this one. So as you can see, this is the detailing of it from the side. Very lovely. It does have gold feet on the bottom. And this is our look from the back. Very nice, very nice. And my favorite part, you just open the bag from here. You just flip your little locks up. Oops, I locked that one. And it just comes right off. Very nice, very nice, very nice. And you have to open it like a package. Look at me being all extra, I'm telling you. Extra to the 10th power. Look, nobody's stealing anything from your purse unless you left it open. So when we open it up, I'm trying to flip it down. We have a bunch of paper in here, so let me pull that stuff out. But this is how it looks when you first open it up. And let's pull out our paper. And we have our strap. And I must say, I do enjoy the presentation of how they give you the bag. I think that's really, really nice. So, we open it up. We have a pocket right here. We have gold zipper in here with the red leather. And the inside of this bag is also a suede, but it's like a suede tan, as you guys can see. And we have a nice little pocket right here to put things in. And we have a pocket here. But a very, you can put a lot of stuff in here. So for me that carries too much, I will be able to put all of my things that I carry in my bag. So this is our long strap here. Look at the gold hardware. This is a very beautiful bag. Without a doubt, this is a beautiful bag. So you can adjust the straps, and they have the clips. Where are the clips in here? Clips are on the side, so they're up here underneath the top of the bag. So this is where you will put your straps for your long bag if you want to wear it crossbody or whatnot. But to me, dude, this bag is it. This bag is sharp. Like, you can't tell me nothing when I go out with this bag. And I just love the design. It's absolutely stunning. Just stunning. Like, where are you going? Look, Miss Lady, slow down. Can I talk to you for a minute? Nah, I got my boss bag. We ain't trying to hear nothing. Nope. But guys, this is my bag. So you guys, I paid this bag. I bought this one for, let me tell you. So guys, I paid $4.59 for this bag. So the regular price they said was $5.19. So I am very happy with both of my bags. Now, both bags here are my first introduction into Teddy Blake. These are very gorgeous pieces. I wanted a red bag for a while, but I wanted something that had some kind of style to it, that was saying something when you wore it. And I believe this is her. This is her life right here. And then this black bag, I'm telling you, I'm boss lady all day with both bags. So if you guys have not checked out Teddy Blake's site, please do. So guys, they still have bags available on their website for sale. If you haven't checked out Teddy Blake, I'm saying it's worth a shot. But I'm telling you, these bags are really nice. I paid for both of these bags. This is not a sponsored video. I don't get jack for telling you about what I bought. So there's nothing in it for me, my friends, other than showing you how dope my beautiful bags are. And I'm boss lady when I walk out with both of these, child. I'm a command the room. So if you guys are interested in these bags, please feel free to go to Teddy Blake's website and check it out. They are an Italian designer, and these are designer leather bags. I think these are absolutely stunning. So guys, hit me up in the comments. What did you think about my bags? I'm so excited. I can't wait to wear them. I cannot wait to put these guys out on a stroll with me. But guys, let me know what you think about my bags. Which one is your favorite? I guess I'm telling you which one my favorite is. But hit me up in the comments. I would love to hear your comments and your opinions about what you think about these bags. Have you bought Teddy Blake bags before? What was your experience with the brand? What can you tell me? What suggestions can you give me? I love the presentation. I love that they came in a dust bag. So I can care for them and protect them. But guys, this is it. These are my bags. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you are not familiar with my channel, please feel free to peruse some of my other unboxings and hauls. I do post weekly. I do look forward to your comments in the comment section. Please feel free to like and subscribe my videos so you can stay up to date on my latest unboxing. So guys, until next time, have a wonderful day. Stay blessed, stay warm, stay positive, and I'll see you on my next unboxing. Bye!